Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 sleep mode problem. To get started, enter Plan in the search box, open the Edit Power Plan option. Now you are going to click on the line Change Advanced Power Settings. In the small pop-up window, go to the Sleep section. Click on the plus sign to expand your options. There, select Sleep After and you can set the desired time or select the Never option. Then, in Allow Wake Timers, you will check that the Enable option is there. Apply these changes. Finally, you can adjust the time in which sleep will be activated from the line Put the computer to sleep state. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.